Hi, my name is Rajay Pure. I work for Kyndryl Corporation. I am the Chief Technology Officer for US manufacturing, communication, and energy sectors. It's good to be with you guys. Let me start with where we are with 5G and what we are seeing. So across the globe, if you take a look at the telco operators have spent hundreds of billions of dollars enabling 5G for the consumer market and for others. Of course, they have spent all of this money, and in order for them to recuperate, some and all of this money beyond their traditional space of cellular usage and other areas where they are, but to grow into other areas. Beyond that, I'm thinking in the enterprise spaces and so forth. There are some hurdles that they have to cross. I'm thinking of ROI. So, in the enterprise space, network is already deployed and laid out. In order to make inroads, the investment ROI has to be positive. The second thing I'm thinking about is around the risk profile. So existing technologies, existing skills, existing layouts, that is well understood. The risk is understood around that space. But as you begin to commingle 5G, as you begin to implement 5G, that risk has to be fully understood, and that risk profile has to be fully understood, and that's another area that has to be overcome. The third is around security. So again, related to risk profile, but security is a big concern that again has to be fully understood, and technologies around that have to be again, that ecosystem has to be relooked at in the newer construct of 5G space. The fourth area that I see again is concern is around vendor locked-in. So, those are the four major spaces, four major areas that the telcos have to really think through and come up with agile approach in making inroads into growing their business. Specifically for around our customers in Kyndryl space, as we begin to work with our customers, our fastest growing space, one of the fastest growing space is around private 5G enablement. We are having a number of different conversations with many of our clients around implementing private 5G. We have implemented that for some of our clients. We are in the process of implementing for a number of our clients, and then there are a number of POCs that are happening for various different capabilities and outcomes that our clients are looking for. So private 5G is definitely taking hold as more and more 5G enabled devices come online, as more of the IoT devices that are enabled with 5G. Again, security is one of the concerns, still continues to happen, but private 5G is where we are seeing a lot of interest and a lot of appetite to modernize with. Look, when we think about data and AI, data and AI is enabler to drive automated data-driven data-driven outcomes for the organizations. In the manufacturing space, industrial space, our client solutions are around optimizing their industrial operations, productivity, improving their productivity with more automation, improving the asset utilization where they have invested huge amounts of money, improving the utilizations of the existing assets, and then of course scalability in terms of pivoting and improving their output as the market conditions change. So they want to be able to pivot along with the market. Of course, To achieve these outcomes, you have to have a capability, and that capability is enabled by data and AI. Earlier on, I talked about private 5G and some of the benefits it drives from faster speed, slow latency, high bandwidth, ability to collect data from millions of the IoT devices. So think about sensors and devices. All of that data has to be collected in a place where that's where your data and AI would come in. Some of the things that we are seeing in the industry is to leverage this data as products to drive the business outcomes. And as when you move beyond the AI, you're now looking at machine learning, where again you're sort of having a loop back mechanism to drive more automation, to take more automated decisions and eliminating manual tasks. So data and AI actually has become part and parcel of the overall equation to drive the business outcomes that our clients are looking for. As we have conversations with our clients, inevitably there is a discussion around, again, depending upon the use case, where should we collect the data, whether that data should be collected on-premise and or to be collected in the cloud, or the combination of the two. I think we from a Kyndryl's point of view, we are implementing this hybrid strategy for most of our clients. For some clients, the use cases that require near real-time data collection and near real-time data decisions, we are implementing an edge solution on-premise locally to that environment. And of course, there is a connectivity back to the cloud. In other cases, we've implemented solutions within the cloud using for edge solutions within the cloud. Again, I'll come back to the basic premise, which is what is the use case? What are we trying to do to make the right decisions? Some of the things that we are seeing that edge solution must provide, capability must provide, is around virtualized, to be able to host virtualized workloads as well as containerized workloads. Some of the legacy technologies won't scale, so you've got to have that virtualized capability, but all of your future use cases should be around the containerized type of a technology, so that you can do more with less. In essence, the discussion with our clients is, and what construct to be leveraged for the edge technology, edge solution, is based on use cases and what are the business outcomes that we're looking for. And it is a critical question. It is a key question that our clients are asking for because of the ROI as well as the cost associated with having workloads in the cloud and the data which is constantly going in cloud and the type of storage, etc., which is being used in the cloud. Again, based on the use case, it could be on-premise, it could be hybrid. Thank you for watching the video. Look forward to you having more conversation with you around this space at the Kyndryl booth. Again, data, private 5G, edge, data, AI, these are building blocks towards driving business outcomes. We'll be happy to share with you some of the use cases that we have enabled for our clients, some of the use cases we are working at the moment with our clients, some of the POCs we have done, and any other questions that you might have, would be happy to address those questions. Again, look forward to seeing you at Kyndryl booth, and thank you so much for watching. This is Rajiv.